Are you staying out to wire?
Me, always. Always. Sorry, did you recognise you just for a minute?
You going in here? Got everything. What do you do?
Alright, this is live. I'm going to redo that because this is my favourite song. And if this beat isn't right, I'm not going to be...
Wash over me like waterfalls and memories eternally. So see tonight, heaven raging down inside of me. Time can always dictate evolution. So I let it wash over me like waterfalls and memories eternally. Do you feel safe? Oh, it's in my head. Do you see? Oh, it's in my head. Existence is gone, but the love that I once had is nothing at all. I am lost in time, slow down. I'm something away, my existence is gone, but the love that I once had is nothing at all. I am lost in time, slow down. Do you hear that? Oh, it's in my head.
Good friend's going to say a few words
All right.
to the massive fan club.
Hello, internet. So we're actually in Manchester Market Street today, and as you can see, the weather is not the greatest, but we've stuck it out so far. We're going to go have a coffee and then maybe make some more noise for you guys. So we'll see.
That's wonderful. That's good enough for me. And there's her partner in crime. Yay! See you later.